Today, we're going to follow a group of international builders with zero professional experience.
We're not like real certified contractors. Whoa. So it's backwards.
To see if they have what it takes to build a castle.
We're trying to build the biggest castle.
The bolts have gotten loose.
50 tons of material. And they're going to try to do it in 14 days. Why? Because it's the American way. This is American Castle.
This guy's already cutting stone.
Out of the earth.
Yes. So I'm like, fuck, this is moving quick. And I gotta talk to him about money and everything else. And the truth is, Eric, and I'm on the plane. So like, I'm on a plane and I'm listening to like some business books. And it's like, you know, it's like a real motivational book. This guy's like, you really have to make a decision what you want out of life. And I'm like, man, I really want to build this castle. I mean, the truth is, I'm probably to sell my house and put in, like, bet the house, bet everything on this project. All right, like that's the truth. Like for me, you know, I told you how much money I have in the bank account. I'm like, dude, like I have to put everything on this project. So, and I thought about it. I'm like, man, like ultimately, I want to give it a shot. Like I do. I really want to give it a shot. Like fuck it. Like I can lose all my money, even the house that I love and I built with my own fucking hands. It's worth it. It's worth the bet, to bet everything, to bet the farm, to bet the house, to bet everything for a chance to build this shit. So I really thought, I was like, if I lose, I lose, or whatever, but you only live once, right? So I talked to you.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
Roll.
So day one, we just flew in from LA. We got in at like 7 a.m., got 2 hours of sleep. Can we take your big truck over there?
It should work fine. Don't get pulled over. I think the tags are expired.
You know, whatever the concrete for the foundation.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just order a pallet.
What do you think, Curt? Like, get 2 laborers?
I don't know, you know English.
Okay. Let me use Google Translate.
Yeah, ask if they work with stone. It should have a strong back.
Bueno, esperábamos una cosa grande, porque nos dijeron que eran cosas de fuerte, bien fuertes.
¿Y construyeron algún castillo alguna vez?
No, eso es... No, eso... Nunca hemos construido un castillo.
So the team that we have assembled is basically me. I'm addicted to building. I always liked castles since I was a kid and building. On the weekends I build all the time. I'd rather build than go ski or do whatever people do.
The bolts have gotten loose.
Curt.
We're making sure the blade doesn't fall off.
I'm here because Peter wanted to build a castle, and I guess I was the guy.
Supposed to have 6 bolts. We have 4.
My German friend Joachim.
Ever since I was a little kid, my passion was not fashion. My passion was working with tools, construction site, getting dirty, getting sweaty.
Curt's gardener, Juan.
Chief for maintenance office. Maintenance what? Do a little bit of construction. It's my passion to do construction when I was a little kid. My name is Juan and I'm the chief maintenance officer.
So that's kind of the team right now. I think it's a good team. I mean, I trust Joachim with my lights, to be honest with you.
These rails go down, they're screwed. And particularly if the rails aren't set up properly, that $100,000 machine goes down, we're absolutely screwed. There is no castle, there's nothing to build with.
Fixed again. The plan was to build a castle, and sometimes I impulsively buy machines from Alibaba. It's called the HKSS 1400 Chinese coring saw. It's designed to cut square cubes out of the ground. Rocks that look like this. Southern Florida is actually built on what's called oolite stone, which is a form of coral rock. And coral is about a little softer than brick, but good building material because it's a little lighter and easy to cut.
It's hard to imagine all this is like coral stone, millions of years old. Where we are standing millions of years ago used to be underwater, and you know, all the microorganisms created this coral beneath us. We didn't do it.
The most important thing right now is to lay the foundation.
I'm gonna move the concrete right in the middle.
Yes.
And the machine to electrical cord, water supply.
So how thick do you want to make the foundation?
I think like this big.
And then we can mix the concrete and put it all in the form.
Okay, all right, sounds good. Let's get to work. If we don't lay the foundation, then we don't start laying rock tomorrow, and that sets us back a lot.
You guys have been clearing up this area because they're setting up the perimeter where they're gonna build.
I'm going to bring the machine closer, and I got the forks closer so we can literally put them on there and then move them out, maybe not too far, right there at the edge.
They also drew up some of the arches and planned how they're gonna build everything.
Yeah, we're gonna build it 20 by 35. It's exactly 700 square feet.
But a lot of it's just figuring stuff out as we go. I think a lot of people here don't really see the big vision. They might see like, oh, there's some construction equipment.
Hey.
Is that okay if I look around while I do this?
Yeah.
We're not like real certified contractors. We also never done TV or shows or anything like that.
And the camera, this is an interesting project.
I think they're doing a great job. It was just two of them a second ago, so.
This first conversation about Peter saying,
Here, we're trying to build the biggest castle.
"Oh, what?" He says, "A castle." I know what a castle is, but nobody builds a castle. You know, we build homes, we build ranches, we build buildings. We don't build castles.
I have no clue what to expect. Zero. But it's a challenge, and let's see.
We're gonna make the biggest fucking castle. We're gonna make the biggest tools company. We're gonna make the biggest TV show. That's it. Yeah. Hey guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, please give us a like or subscribe. We were told that we have to get to 1,000 subscribers for the show to be successful. We're not experts in YouTube or making shows or anything else, so any help is appreciated. If you can give us any suggestions or get in contact with us, please let us know. Also, Eric, he's been working really, really hard behind the scenes. He actually spends all this time like creating all these cool videos for you. He's all the hard work behind all these videos. So Eric, you got something you want to tell him?
New video comes out every Sunday at noon Pacific time, and that's 3 p.m. for you Floridians.
Yeah, thank you.